My video camera! What does she want with the video camera? She says get the video camera. I got the little girl. Put me down! Hold still. Gotcha! We got him away from us.
Don't delay, act now!
Problem, Gill! Get the lid! Huh? Oh, straight to Croc Falls. What in the fear of God is the matter with Bubbles? He is Catastrophe, that is why. Make yourself calm down or else it could be very, very worse. Uh-oh. Uh-oh!
Oh no!
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh no!
Get him away from that lid! Get out of my way! We're all gonna die!
Oh no! Oh no! I can fix this! I can fix this!
Doggone it! We're trying like mice and rats! Come back here, Bubbles, you stupid. Now settle down, you're rocking the boat! I can't breathe. Don't make me lose my temper, Bubbles. I need air.